From our 25 years of research, we find that the primary cause for aging is our inherent consciousness stored in our DNA, reflected in our personality. The more we manifest such logics, mindsets, and emotions, the more harmful radiation would be emitted from our cells. More and more radiation would be accumulated within them, deteriorating our organs and systems, burning them slowly, causing disease and aging. Hence, our physical form is a direct reflection of our psychological being. An example of this would be the change of NAD levels as we age. NAD stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. When we are young, the levels are found to be higher, and as we age, from around age of 30 years onwards, our levels of NAD progressively reduce each year. Let us first talk about what NAD is and its importance in our physical health. NAD is believed to be one of the most important molecules in the body. Simply put, it is a form of energy that our body uses for metabolism and physiology, required for over 500 enzymatic reactions, and plays key roles in the regulation of almost all major biological processes. If there is a reduction in NAD, then these regular processes can no longer function well, thus contributing to deterioration and aging. Why do NAD levels decrease? Scientists have found one of the reasons is that as people age, there is increase in synthesis of an enzyme, called CD38, which is responsible for the breakdown of NAD. Though scientists can observe the increase in production of this enzyme, they have not yet been able to find out the reason why. If we turn to our viewing technology to try to understand this phenomenon, we observe that CD38's characteristics are to do with the following: selfishness, egotism, which is standing in own point of view and rarely in others' shoes, greed in thinking one deserves more or not satisfied with what one has, being constantly anxious of not being able to achieve or ascertain something. CD38's characteristics are also to do with actively judging others using one's own point of view based on rigid preferences that bring about preconceived values, assertively wanting to win without considering the bigger picture or others' well-being, small-minded in being calculative and taking things personal, reluctant to accept or unwilling to yield to others or to the situation, then would want to get back at others for vengeance. If things are not in line with one's expectations, then would be unhappy, throw temper tantrum and easily lash out at people. It's the feeling of not wanting others to be happy if oneself is unhappy. In a sense, it's if I can't get what I want, neither can you, and taking them down along with oneself. On the other hand, NAD's characteristics are like that of a child, happy-go-lucky, at ease, open to exploring, with a curiosity to learn and discover, enjoying and fascinated about all details of experiences encountered. Also, content with what is granted to them, appreciative and gratitude. Gentle and considerate, afraid of causing harm, afraid of overstepping. Generous, sharing and wanting happiness for others, feeling happiness when others are happy. As you can see, the qualities of CD38 are the exact opposite of NAD's qualities. Hence, they cannot mutually exist. Meaning that if an individual's personality manifests with a lot of CD38 signature characteristics, then the body would synthesize more CD38 enzymes in the body, which breaks down more NAD. Thus our healthy metabolism and physiology will be disrupted, causing deterioration and aging. Cells would no longer be able to rejuvenate nor renew. The person will age, as well as bodily tissues and organs would age. So not only do the logics, mindsets, and emotions we generate bear radioactive qualities that burn our bodies from inside out, mutating the cells, and deteriorating them, our personality traits also contribute to the production of different molecules, enzymes, and proteins that is vital to maintaining our health and youth. Therefore, if we want a healthy body, we must re-educate our DNA, our cells in having values and intentions into having a healthy mind, one that resonates with qualities of essential molecules such as NAD, because this would facilitate the physical production of more of these molecules, in order to prevent aging and can even restore our youth.